Hi there, meet the Umbra Flip wall-mounted coat rack, a modern and space-saving solution with 5 retractable hooks. This versatile rack is perfect for hanging coats, scarves, bags, umbrellas, towels, and more, keeping your space neat and organized. Unlike traditional racks, it mounts on the wall, saving valuable floor space in small entryways, closets, or bathrooms. The sleek design comes in stylish finishes to complement any decor, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or dorm rooms. Installation is quick and easy, with all hardware and step-by-step instructions included. Umbra Flip's innovative and original design adds personality and functionality to your home. Choose a smarter way to organize with this attractive and practical wall-mounted rack. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.